Oh yeah, baby!
Mountain biking looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it? A week ago, I was sitting at home, watching a person mountain biking, wishing I had the money to go buy a mountain bike and hit the trails. I then wondered if there were any trails nearby. I mean, what was really holding me back from trying it? Why not? You don't really need a mountain bike to ride, do you? And there was a trail only 30 minutes away. I knew I had to try it. I learned pretty fast that we had a lot to learn in the skills park. But there was another trail that I had my eyes set on. This was the downhill and the jump line trails they offered here. When we reached the jump line, we didn't do so well.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh! Let's watch that one more time. Thankfully, my brother was not injured and we continued on, where something else happened.
Here we go. Hi, Ann. Whoa! Whoa! Keep me safe on that. Woo! Wow! My gears are awful. My gears are messed up.
Broke it because you did
I broke my gear.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Go back, go back, go back.
Just broke my gear.
Go back with it. Like, keep rolling the bike back.
That's the same thing that happened to mine.
I think I broke it.
It's not supposed to be in the spark. There. Now you can push it back, hopefully. It's probably broken, but can't tell. If you see any plastic broken. Yeah,
It's broken.
I see that.
Where? Oh yeah, it broke. Well, I broke my bike. Let's head on back, I guess.
How was it, Kyler?
Tough.
Very tough?
Yeah, dangerous.
Dangerous? That one...
Flying like 90 down the thing.
Yeah. That one trail, the downhill trail, whatever it was called, was pretty intense.
The treehouse one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that I wiped out on the side of the cliff.
Yep. Well, it was fun though. We had a good time. Even though I broke my gears on my bike, I think I found a new hobby. I plan on coming back here in the future, hopefully, and doing some more trails. This was a blast. Comment down below what adventures you went on this summer. Thank you for watching the video. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Cole Bryan Films if you want to see more videos like that. And if you want to be notified when the next video comes out, hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.